This is Bree from the Sewing House, and a little intro video to get you excited for our 3rd annual Valentine Sew-Along. This year we are doing Our Hearts Will Go On by the Fabric Addict. Really excited about it. It is available in 2 sizes, queen or lap size, and we have 3 different kit options available for it. First one is the rainbow, which is what you see behind me here. We also have an aqua version, and we have the pink version. And if your kit has arrived, if you've ordered a kit from us, or maybe you're gathering fabric for it, this is your very first step. So if you really want to get started on it and kind of start seeing what things are going to look like, this is a page in your pattern. It is your fabric cheat sheet. This is so important for this project. So you can go into your kit, cut a little tiny sliver off of the selvage edge. It's not gonna affect anything there. And just cut a little piece off of each one, and you can glue it on, glue, tape, staple, whatever works best for you. This is gonna make it so much easier to make sure that all of your fabrics stay where they're supposed to. And if you got a kit from us, all of your fabrics should be labeled. If a label fell off, or if you have a question on anything, let us know. We're happy to answer questions there. I did change up a little bit of the fabric placements, but your fabric should be labeled accordingly as far as outer border, etc. So go ahead, make your cheat sheet, and we will see you soon for video 1 to get started.